the king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so on a king body. Body gonna shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, bring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. King, you know it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. Today I decided to clean my workspace. If you guys don't know, I have been on a long vacation break, just really taking some time out for myself and for my family. So I am supposed to start work back on the 6th. So I decided to come downstairs and just really try to tidy up, clean, really deep clean my space so that way that my clients are coming into a clean space. I had some new products shipped in, and I was also able to restock on everything. So now I'm just putting everything away and just trying to get things really organized. Had my nephew over the holidays, and he just went through everything. So I'm just cleaning and definitely hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like to see these cleaning videos, please let me know. That way I can go ahead and do some more of these style. Let me tell you guys something. When I start cleaning, I really get into a zone. So as if that wasn't enough, I decided to go upstairs and just kind of like clean up my area upstairs as well. The kids have been making a mess all over the place, and they did go back to school today, so I was able to clean in peace. So once I was done with the kitchen, I decided, of course, to do the living room. I just needed to just really clear out everything because I had family and friends over for the holiday. So I just felt like the house was a mess. And I have my friend Lisa. She just came to kind of like help me stage some things. I have a lot of stuff in the house. So I'm able to kind of like shop my home, which I am very grateful for. So I'm just trying to finish up everything. And of course, I cannot do cleaning without doing a DIY project. I had these old candle holders in my basement, so I decided to just spray paint them. And I also spray painted the bowl that way that I wouldn't have to go out and purchase anything for my space when I have so much stuff. And this is the final look. Definitely hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, share, share.